Hi everyone, very quick. Hi everyone, very quick. Hi everyone, very quick video because it's so busy. Hi, how are you? My name is Delphine. I am a solicitor. I am not your solicitor. I do not give advice on this channel. I only give guidance, and I'm very happy to answer your queries when it comes to how to qualify, or you being a new solicitor or an aspiring solicitor or lawyer. I'm quite happy to talk to you about that if it helps, and I know that it helps, and it's always great to read your comments that you enjoy my videos. I'm not looking for a million. I am not looking for a million subscribers or a million views on this channel, except there are a million people who want to be paralegals, solicitors, barristers, and all of that. So I appreciate your feedback when just one person says that these videos are helpful. We're going to be talking about paralegals and how much they earn, basically because a lot of you want to know how much legal professionals earn, and three of you have been sending messages to say, I want to know how much paralegals earn. So a paralegal can earn anything from £14,000 to £40,000. £40,000 being the higher part of the spectrum. It might be that a paralegal earns more than £40,000, but that would depend on a lot of things: experience, location. Go see my video where I talk about how much lawyers earn. Everything I said there is on all fours with what I will say here. Also, go check out what I have said in my video concerning alternative roles to becoming a solicitor or barrister. That's very helpful as well. If you are in London as a paralegal, you will make more money. If you're working in a specialist firm, like people who deal with personal injury, day in, day out kind of job, you become a specialist because you know what to do, and it means that you're not just buying tea, buying coffee, and running around the office and photocopying and all of that. You're actually filing papers, filling papers, then you will make more money. So if a firm of solicitors wants someone to do a particular job, they might take on a paralegal and pay the higher salary of about £40,000 if that paralegal can do substantive work. So if that paralegal can fill out forms, can write the relevant letters, then obviously they would be cheaper than hiring a solicitor who they might need to pay about £80,000. Makes sense? So if you're just going to be buying coffee, photocopying, doing the basics, the administrative duties that anyone really can do, then you will be paid something like the national minimum wage, because you just be typing, filing. If you are paralegal dealing with specialist matters like family law, say for instance divorce applications, you're filling them out, the solicitor is supervising you. Yes, the solicitor must supervise you. Then you'll be paid more, because if a client pays, for example, £1,000 for a divorce matter and the paralegal is the one that fills out the form, then you will be paid more because that client has paid the solicitor to do the job, but the solicitor will run the file, supervise whatever goes out, will make sure everything is in order on the file and that the procedures are followed and that there are no issues with the file. If there is an issue with the file, then the liability always falls on the solicitor. So if you are a junior paralegal and you're not a graduate, you will earn from £14,000 to £22,000 based on the national minimum wage or how much the firm can pay you extra. If you're a junior paralegal and you're a graduate, you can earn between £18,000 to £25,000. If you're a paralegal with 3 to 5 years experience, that's huge. So you get about £20,000 to £25,000. If you then become a paralegal with over 3 to 5 years experience, you can get up to £40,000. That's £40,000, depending on the location of the firm, depending on how good your experience is, and depending on what the firm really wants to pay you. And yes, some firms will pay you over £40,000. Look out for my next video. It will explain more.